Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphazan's Tech. Today's update is one of the biggest opportunities for fresh graduates because Google has officially started accepting applications for not one, but two apprenticeship programs in India. If you've been waiting for a chance to start your career at Google, make sure you watch this video completely because I'll explain who can apply, what Google is looking for, important dates, locations, and several important points that many candidates usually miss. So let's begin. Google has announced two apprenticeship programs. The first one is Software Application Development Apprenticeship. The second one is Data Analytics Apprenticeship. Both programs are designed for graduates who want practical industry experience while learning directly from Google teams. One important thing to understand is that these are apprenticeship programs and not permanent full-time positions. However, they provide valuable industry exposure, real-world projects, structured learning, and an excellent opportunity to build your career with one of the world's leading technology companies. These apprenticeship opportunities are available across multiple locations including Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Gurugram, and Mumbai. Now before we continue, let's talk about the education requirements because many of you are waiting for this part. For the Software Application Development Apprenticeship, candidates should have completed a bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering or a related field. Candidates should not currently be enrolled in any academic program and should have less than 1 year of software development experience after graduation. For the Data Analytics Apprenticeship, candidates should have completed a bachelor's degree in any field. Applicants should also have less than 1 year of relevant experience after graduation and should not be pursuing another academic course during the apprenticeship. If your education matches these requirements, continue watching because there are more important details. Now let's discuss what Google expects from software application development candidates. Applicants should know at least one programming language and have basic software development knowledge. During the apprenticeship, you'll work on coding, testing, debugging, software development, and project implementation with Google engineering teams. Google also expects candidates to follow coding standards and write quality code while continuously learning new technologies. Coming to the Data Analytics Apprenticeship, candidates will work with data, identify patterns, analyze business problems, prepare reports, and generate useful insights. Google has also mentioned that SQL knowledge and analytical thinking will be beneficial for this role. Another important point is the duration. The Software Application Development Apprenticeship lasts for 12 months. The Data Analytics Apprenticeship lasts for 24 months. During the apprenticeship, Google has mentioned that you'll spend around 20% of your time in structured learning and the remaining time working on real Google projects with experienced teams. Now here are some important application guidelines that you shouldn't ignore. Applicants should clearly mention their graduation year in the resume. Candidates should have an Aadhaar-linked mobile number and Aadhaar-seeded bank account as required for verification. The selection process may take around 18 to 24 weeks, so don't worry if you don't receive an immediate update after applying. Google has also mentioned that location transfers are not allowed after joining. So choose your preferred location carefully while submitting your application. One more important point, applications close on 3rd August. So don't postpone your application until the last day. If you're eligible, prepare your resume, verify your details carefully, and submit your application through the official Google Careers website. The official application links for both apprenticeship programs are available in the description along with our complete Google hiring playlist, where you'll find more fresher opportunities from Google and other top product-based companies. If this video helped you, support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to Alphazan's Tech because we post daily job updates, assessment updates, off-campus drives, and mass hiring opportunities from top companies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next hiring update.